I'm California accident attorney Neil Schaus. If you've been injured in a car accident or a slip and fall or due to medical malpractice or any situation where the other party is at fault, one of the things that you are entitled to recover is compensation for your lost wages or lost income. And there are 7 key types of lost income. I'm going to discuss them now. The first is lost salary or wages for the time you had to take off work because you were too injured to work or had to be in medical treatment. The second is lost overtime. If you had to take 2 weeks off and you typically work 10 hours a week of overtime, then you should get 20 hours of lost overtime. The third is lost bonuses and lost commissions. This again is based on what you likely would have earned were you able to work. Number 4, lost personal days, lost sick days, or lost vacation time. If you had to use these up while you had to miss work, or if you failed to generate them while you were out, then this too is part of your damages. Number 5 is tips. If you're a food server, or a Lyft driver, or a massage therapist, or have any job where you get tips, then lost tips is part of your recovery. Number 6 is lost opportunities or chance of advancement. Maybe you were climbing the corporate ladder. Maybe you were working on projects where you were developing new skill sets and priming yourself for raises and promotions. But all of this stalled because you had to stop working for a while. You can seek compensation for these lost opportunities. Number 7 is lost earning capacity. This is a projection of the income you will lose over the course of your life because of the time you can't work, or because your injury has impaired your ability to perform your job. For example, you may be an illustrator, and because you lose motor function in your hands, you have to switch to a lesser paying job. Often I will bring in a vocational expert and an economist to prove up these damages. In the end, there may be many ways an injury negatively impacts your work, your career, and your livelihood. A good personal injury attorney will fight to get you compensation for all of them.